Hey guys, so I just want to make a quick video to show you guys how to do the symbolic self-portrait project. Now you can see I'm on the instructions page right now, so only a few instructions because I want you to watch this video to really get an idea of how to do this. So symbolic, that just means that something represents or stands for a greater idea. So for example, a heart symbolizes love, or a four-leaf clover symbolizes good luck. So a self-portrait is just a picture of yourself. And if we're making a symbolic self-portrait, we are trying to make something that represents you. So it's not necessarily a picture of you, although I'll show you that you can add some photos of yourself if you'd like, but it's more of a representation of you. So things you like, things that describe you, things that are important to you. So we are going to click on this photo album Google Slides presentation. And we're all going to work on this one slideshow together. It's going to be a Boulevard 5th grade photo album of all of our different symbolic self-portraits. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on this plus sign because you need a new slide. So I clicked on it, I've got this blank slide, and this is going to be your slide. You can do whatever you would like on it. So first I would suggest a background, and you have different options. So when you click on background, you could change the color. You could add an image, and then you have these different options to add an image. You could upload something from your computer. You could take a picture of yourself. This is going to access your actual webcam camera on your Chromebook. You could do it by a link, so like this is the URL. Photos, things on your Google Drive, and then you could also use this Google image search where you're just going to type in whatever you want, and then you could choose a picture right off Google. So now my background is a dog. Next thing you can do is you can add different images. Maybe you want to save things to your drive, so you can upload pictures of like Minecraft or basketball or your friends or your family. So whatever kind of images. So again, you can click right here to insert an image, and it gives you those same options. Say you want to take a picture of you with your cat right now. So hey, so now I could now I have a picture of myself from my webcam, and I could insert that on here if I wanted. That's pretty horrifying, but we'll keep it up there for a second. Again, if you have photos from the web that you want to look up, so maybe you want a basketball. So it's pretty big, so I'm going to make this basketball a little bit smaller. Put it up there. Maybe you really like, oops, I closed out of it. Maybe you really like Billie Eilish and you want a picture of her. Maybe they won't be able to find one of her. In that case, I would just save one off of Google Images. Oh, there's one. So maybe you want to add a picture of Billie Eilish on there to show what type of music you like. Maybe you want to look at what photos you have from your computer. I have this picture of me and my husband, so I'll add this one. Oops. If you want to crop the photo, like I just want the picture of us, I can click right here on crop image, and I can just save whatever part of the image I want. And I'm just going to press enter so it saves like that. You can also do some other things on here. You don't just have to add images, but like I said, you can make this however you want. It's your symbolic self-portrait. You could also add some lines if you want to draw some different things with lines, if you want to draw some arrows. You can also draw with the scribble. So you could draw some different images. That was just a swirly line, but maybe I want to draw a fish. It's kind of hard to do on a Chromebook. But now I got a fish over there. You can always change the color over here. But the last thing I want you to do is to use the text box. And I want you to add your name somewhere. And you can add your name wherever you want. You could use whatever font you want. You can make it however big or small you want. Again, the fonts are right here, size is right here. If you want to make it bold, italic, if you want to change the color. totally up to you. Yeah, you can play around with this too and see what else you want to do with your symbolic self-portrait. It doesn't have to be kind of like a random mess like this. You can make it way more organized. If you look up at the title page for our PowerPoint presentation, I made very specific length photos of puzzles because I love puzzles, and my cat and painting. Those were symbolic of me also, but you could get goofy with this too. The only thing I'm going to say is please don't touch anyone else's slide, only work on your slide, but have fun with it. If you have any questions, you know my email. I hope you have fun with this project, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.